it's sunshine, so it is a gorgeous day outside. I would turn the camera around so you can look out my window, but take my word for it, it's gorgeous. Sun's out, the wind is blowing through the trees, loves it. So I decided that I was going to go all out and wear my hair out today instead of pinning it up like I would do if it was a rainy day. So I'm bringing you the chunky monkey. This is the chunky monkey. You see that? I like to call it that because it's just chunky twist. And I'm gonna twist it out, and you guys are gonna see what happens. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a lone one over here, which is 8. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see this. There was like no method to my madness. So it's pretty moisturized. Make sure I did that last night. And now I'm going to put a little bit of my Twisty Locks on it. And it has shea butter, jojoba oil, honey, some vitamins, essential oil blend. And so I'm just going to kind of take it through. Put some on my hair before I take it down. And so I'm going to separate. Okay. And as you can see, I'm separating, but I'm not taking apart yet or separating it once I take it apart this one time. So, doing that. It's like I feel like I want to, I want to go in there and take it out one more time, but first I'm going to see how it goes after I go in and kind of after I go in and actually remove some of the parts and see how I feel. And all I'm doing is taking my fingers, going into my scalp, massaging and kind of bringing the part out like that, smoothing the part out, bringing it down, giving it a little shape. I'm just checking in the side mirror there. Coming through. So now I've done that, I'm going to go in with my pick. And this is a, oh man, it had a funky name to it. But it's made out of olive oil. So it's really like, I don't know, it's really smooth. It doesn't rip my hair or anything like that. So I'm just kind of going in and lifting the hair. And I'll get you guys the name of it soon. I can't remember what's the name of it. I mentioned it in a video before, but it was like one of my early videos when I was buying things to help me along this process. So, fluffing out the hair. Trying to get it as big as possible. Like, trying to get it as big as possible. Yes, we're going for big. Why not? The sun's out. So I'm getting it up there. As you can see, it's going. It's going. And it's just like almost like, think about it, like stretched. Been stretching it for some days now, trying to get it out there. I love my hair. So let me tell you what I did. So I'm wearing this striped shirt today, as you guys can see. And I was wanting to wear like these striped bands. You see that? But I love my hair like out like this. Decisions. So I'm going to see if I like it. Didn't think about my earrings before I did that. Okay. Okay, so ooh, bra lift. Okay. Okay. Still fab, right? Okay. Can I tell you that these bands are like super tight? And that like, that's like the only thing that's making me decide on whether or not I want to wear the bands. Okay, I'll be right so back. Here it is, because I had on two and my head was so no. So one band, striped, matches the stripes in my top. So this is my hair of the day. Bam. Okay, guys, so my chunky twist out and nice and stretched. So that's that. Happy Saturday. Bye. DEP.
I just wanna be with her. All her friends say they don't know what I see in her, but they just want me so they wanna see me leaving her. Never do her wrong when I'm gone, I be